Good morning, everybody. And the DAX is pretty much still doing its thing of going nowhere. I just want to get the one level. Well, there's two levels you need to be paying attention to this morning, and going to be in that area. Sorry, there are three levels. Well, sorry, four levels. I'll show you where I'm picking them up now. So obviously it is this area here where you have the double top from last week at 17,031. Then you have a pin bar here which lines up with another big range bar. We spoke about this level yesterday, and that is 16,984. Then you have 16,937 and 16,905, and you can round that off to 16,900. So this week has been big up, big down, and then we got this very interesting range bar. So you can see fairly large green body and then large tail to the upside, large tail to the downside. So that is an indication that we are confused. Oscillators are pointing down, and we did start moving to the downside, but then immediately came back. So from a 3-hour perspective, sideways, big up, big down, sideways, then a little big up, and what could be a bit of a flag. We'll see this now on the lower time frames. But for all intents and purposes, we're above and below the moving averages here, which is an indication that we are sideways. Now, the bullish setup at the moment is flat top triangle. Top of the triangle would be here, 17,031. And you'll see this previous swing low here at 16,900 would be the line in the sand. So that's kind of the big view that we have at the moment. The minute you drill down to the 1 hour, you can see the chaos of yesterday. So we had a big move down. Buyers came in here at 16,900, 16,905 area. And if I just fine tune that onto the bottom of this pin bar, and again pin bars are coming into play, you can see 16,898 was the exact level that we bounced off. So I would be very curious to see what happens at 16,984. See if there's something at bruise there, or are we going to drift a bit lower. But have a look at where we are in relation to the moving averages. This is a sit on hand scenario that is brewing. And the S&P 500 does look like it's just going to go nowhere today. It is Friday, so I doubt, unless there's a catalyst of some sort, I doubt we're going to have any large movements. So 15 minutes is very, very interesting. You can see below the moving averages reject, up at the top, move down, buyers come in, form a double bottom, and big engulfing bar here off nothing, no real structure to the left, and then we moved away. We've got these gaps on the way up, so that's why we're coming back to close them. But you can see for the US session we were pretty much in amongst the moving averages here. So I'm sit on hands, to be honest. I don't think I want to even bother with this. It could be a pullback of this move up and then another leg up to come and test the upper end of this range at 17,031, but it could also be a move to the downside. So I'm kind of sitting on the fence. So I will be sitting on my hands. Keep the money in the pocket. It's always a good trade. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. No, we don't. We'll catch up with you next week, Monday morning. Enjoy the weekend. Cheers for now.